Hi friends, this is Sarvijay here. Welcome to my networking channel. Hope all are doing good and safe. And today let us discuss and debug the HSRP tracking issue. So what happened? This is an architecture where I connected primary, secondary, and this I connected the router. This is for tracking issues, right? So what is the HSRP tracking? Whenever a specific interface goes down, the primary router will decrease its priority to a decrement value or to a configured, and the standby will take over the active role. But here you are seeing the issue. Whenever the specific interface shut down, what happened? It is decreasing its priority, but what happens? Still, it is restoring its active role. Still, it is active. The standby is not taking over the active. So, whenever a specific interface goes down, this is not taking over the active role. So, that is the issue. Let us go and debug. So, what happened? Let us go to the primary router, right? So, the primary router I configure this is a priority. Show run interface VLAN 10. So, I configure the VLAN 10. So, let us go to the configuration. So, standby brief, and let us go to the ESW2 show standby brief. So this is the primary router. I configure the priority 200. So this is the active router, and this is the ESW2 is the secondary router, right? This is acting as a standby because this is having the default priority, right? So now what happened? What we'll do? So let us shut down this interface. When I'm shutting down this interface, obviously this should take over the active role, but that is not happening. So we have to go and debug the issues. So let us go to the primary router and let us go to the configuration mode. Go to the configuration mode and let us shut down the fast Ethernet interface. That is this serial interface I'm going to shut down. And what happened? This should take over the active role. So let us see what happened. So before that, let us debug the standby router. Let us debug the HSRP. The debug is on. So now let us shut down interface fast Ethernet 1/3, and I'm going to shut down. So what happened? You are able to see, right? The interface is going down, but this is not giving the control to the standby. So standby is still standby, and this is still active router. It is not giving the control to the standby. So as per the scenario, the standby should take over the active role. So what happened? So still we are seeing this as a active. So standby brief. So the primary is still maintaining the active role. So it is not giving the control to the standby. That means this is still the standby router. So what might be the issue? So always the problem with the decrement value what we configure. So what happens whenever the specific interface goes down, the router will decrease its priority to the decrement value what we configure. So always the value will matter. So let us check the decrement value. How to check? Go to show run interface VLAN 10. So what is the value we are configuring? This is a preempt, right? Preempt option and standby 10. This tracking the interface faster than a 1/3, and I configure the decrement value as. So I have configured the decrement value as 30, right? So what happened whenever this interface goes down, it will decrease its priority to 170. So what happens? Still it is showing the highest priority. So always the primary router is selected by the router with the highest priority. So that is the reason it's still always maintaining the active role even the specific interface goes down. So how we can change that situation? So what we have to do? We have to increase this decrement value. So that is a problem, right? So we have to increase the decrement value. So how we can do that? So go to the configuration mode. Let us go to interface VLAN 10 and let us do no standby. So let us increase the decrement value and let us do it again and let us increase the priority to decrement value to 120. So 120 and let us now check it out. I have done it. So now what happened? Let us check the interface. Show IP interface fast Ethernet 1/3. So this will make it up. So this will make it up, and now let us check the status. So standby brief. So now let us start from the scratch. So what I have changed the prior decrement value, right? So I have increased the decrement value. Previously it was 30. So now I increased it to 120, right? So let us check it out. Show run interface VLAN 10. So I increase the value to 120. So what happened whenever this interface goes down, it will decrease its priority 200 minus 120. So it will become 80, and the secondary this will take over the active role. So this priority is higher than this active, so this will take over the active role. So that's the thing I want to show you. So before that, let us see that. So see, this is an active, right? This is the active router. So I'm going to shut down the interface. So go to interface fast 1/3 and let us shut down and let us debug the standby. So what happened? You are seeing the changes, right? It is changing from active to speak, and it is see the priority. It is decreasing from 200 is the priority minus the decrement value, that is 80. So what happened? It is giving the control to the standby. So standby will take over the active role. So now let us check the role. Show standby brief. Show standby. So this is maintaining the active role. Let us see. So you're able to see, right? So what happened? This is giving the control to CSW2. So this is becoming the standby router and this will become the active router, right? Show standby brief. So this become the standby and let us see the CSW2. So this will take over the active role. So that's the thing I want to show you. So now what we can do after activating this interface again, this should restore the active role again because I configured the preempt feature. So after making this interface active, it should restore the active role again. So that is the purpose of interface tracking, right? So let us go to the configuration mode and let us do interface faster than at 1/3 and let us activate the interface, no shut. So this interface I'm activating. So now what happened? It will restore its active role again. You are able to see, right? It is changing the priority and it is now changing to active. It is going to active mode. So let us see. Show standby brief. Let us do remove and debug. So now let us see show standby brief. So you are able to see active. This is becoming the priorities now coming to normal 200 priority. So this will become the active role and let us see. ESW2 will become the standby again. So that is the main purpose of interface tracking. So if there is a tracking issues, actually what we have to do always you have to check the decrement value. So this is from the exam point of view, always check the decrement value. So that the decrement value is lesser, always you can increase the value so that when it goes on automatically, this will take over the active role. So this is the thing I want to show you. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Thanks and have a wonderful day.